Warning. What you're about to do may cause damage to your Going Medieval save file. I am not liable for any damages caused to your save game. Please take the proper precautions, back up your save file before editing. Thank you. What is up, everyone? This is your favorite Fox Girl Natani or Natani the Lombax, depending on what Discord server I'm talking on. Today we are going to do a introduction video. Well, not really introduction, more like a tutorial. Let's just call it that. Tutorial video on how to properly change perks and skills inside the game for your settlers in Going Medieval. Yay! Awesome game. Sorry for the background noise. My cats are going nuts. So basically, what you want to do, run the game for the first time, make a world, doesn't matter, however you want to do it, save the game, close the game. What that's going to do, that's going to create a save file, and that's going to create it in this location. I'm going to show you right here. So first navigate to your C drive, whatever base drive is that you have Windows installed. Then you're going to go to your users folder. Go to your profile name, whatever, y'all see the name. Then go to app data, local low. Here you're going to see like Foxy Voxel, among other things. So you're going to want to double click Foxy Voxel, click on Going Medieval, hit Village Saves, and find the save that you're working on. Today we're working on Stoneberry. So you'll see I have a backup. I just changed the file extension, added this on. That way I have a backup of the original working file from the 12th. So then what you're going to do, and you're going to need a couple tools to do this, and these are the ones I recommend, and I'm not recommending these because I'm affiliated with them at all, so please don't think that. I'm recommending them because I like them, they work well. You're going to need like 7-zip or WinRAR or something. Don't buy WinRAR. Please don't. Just use 7-zip. It's a nice program. And this is Windows, by the way, if you couldn't tell. Windows 10 specifically. So I have 7-zip. You're going to need this. You're also going to want like Visual Studio 2019. This is what I use. I'm a junior software dev, so I use this. It's awesome. These are the two programs I'm going to be using. So once you have 7-zip installed in Visual Studio, you want to go here, of course, to this location, find your save, right-click on it, hit 7-zip, open archive, and that's going to pull all this information up. And from here, you're going to actually want this village save data JSON. This one right here. That bad boy. So just kind of pull that out. You can see I already did, so I ain't going to worry about it. So once you pull that out, just kind of put this over here or just minimize it because you're still going to need that open. And then go ahead and click on the village save data JSON, and it's going to open up with Visual Studio. And then you're going to want to remember what villager you want to change. So mine was originally named Harry, and I changed his name. I figured, hey, I'm doing genetic testing on him. I'm making him better. I like the Avengers. Let's call him Steve Rogers. So then just kind of type in the name. Boom, right here. I changed his name and everything. You can see Steve Rogers. So from here, you're going to want to scroll down. You'll see his name again. Keep scrolling till you find this little hunk of code here. What this is specifically, this is our length, and this is on the GUI. When you look at it, when you look at your villager stats, there's a certain number of stats that can actually fit on there without bugging out the GUI, and I can show you, and I will show you. So the most that can fit on there without bugging out is 10. I have 12 because I'm just doing an experiment. So you're going to need to set this number to however many skills you want. In this case, I want 12. Then you're going to want to put in the skills, technically perks, just like this code is. So what this is showing is it's quotation, perk, capital P, underscore the perk number, quotation, and then a comma. If you notice, the very last line before the closing bracket is actually no comma. That's a C sharp syntax. So just do it, leave it like that. Don't do a comma on the last one. And there's some files here that is available on the Discord server. We have it in a pinned message that actually tell you what the perk IDs are, and that's actually how I got the numbers. So like 1 vigorous, 2 robust, 6 40 winks, you know, so on and so forth. You can match them up. And if you go to the Going Medieval wiki as well, click on villagers, click on perks, they tell you what they do. I base my decisions off of this and here and put them in there. So once you do that, there's also some other things you can change too. Say you want to make your person proficient with mining. So here we go. Right here, we're at the skills section. You can see where we're at right there. So this first one, I don't think it's implemented yet. Just leave it blank. This corresponds to animal handling, skill ID 1. And I can actually, let me see, double check to make sure I'm telling you right. Because I don't want to tell you it wrong. Yep, skill list with your associated numbers. 0 is none. 1 is animal handling. So just kind of match up what it is and what you want them to be good at. Passion level indicates the star level, how passionate they are. 2 indicates times 4 experience gain when they do that specific skill. 1 is times 2. 0 is no extra experience gain, just regular experience gain. So my Steve here was already passionate about animal handling, so I left it there. The one I really wanted to change is skill 7. Marksman. Marksmen are amazing in this game. I actually just changed it to 16 because I needed someone with longbowmen. So I changed it, made it passion level 2, so now he's going to level up faster as a longbow shooter. The very last one that I changed, as far as only skills, was mining. Mining was only level 3. You can see 13 is mining, 13 passion level. I just changed it to 2, and the reason why is I'm trying to make like a Helm's Deep basically on my map called Stoneberry. I'm probably going to change the name. I don't know. So once you do that, save your JSON file, which I already have. Open up your, reopen. It should already be open because you weren't supposed to close it. The save or start.save, whatever it should be called. It should be start.save. That the village you're working on, just kind of drag and drop your JSON file in there. And it's going to do this. It's going to copy it. You're going to see them in both locations. Now is where you can close this. Then just start the game up. Now at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and minimize that because we don't need it. As you can tell, over here, had an extra one working. Boom, you can see this is the one we were just working on. It's currently 0300 hours where I'm at. Well, actually, I lied. It's 037 or 027 hours where I'm at. You know, 1227. That was created then. So just load your game. And I should have told you this too. And I forgot. I'll show you in the JSON after we do this. But there's actually a way to change it to where it actually says you can find and replace all inside the villager save JSON of the name of the person. And you can change it to make the text here show the correct name. So once you do that, everything loads. Boom, I'm going to pause the game. This used to be hairy. You can see, this is what I was talking about here. You notice the 2 perks down here that are cut off, and that's the UI bug that I was talking about. And this is just, I just made him to test. This is my test world. Heat resistant, cold hardy. That's the reason why it's bugging out, because I added those two. I wanted him to be able to work. I wanted him to be Steve Rogers. And just to show you that it's actually working, we'll go to the attributes. Whirlwind, fleet-footed. Iron stomach, 40 winks. Where is it? 40 winks again. Vigorous, robust. Vigorous, robust. You know, and like I said, it works. And then here's wise and iridite. I don't know how to pronounce it. So I apologize if I'm going to get hate for this video. I'm probably going to get hate anyways, because obviously a furry. Whatever. So that's the basics of doing this. That's how you do it. If you need any help, shoot a message on over something. Reach out on the Discord. I can attempt to help you. I will say make a backup of your save, because this could potentially break your save when the devs update the game. I'm not liable for that happening if you don't take the proper measures to back it up. And I'll put a advert, or not really an advert, but like a warning before the start of this video to tell you, back up your save. So, that's how you do this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I will try responding, as long as I'm not busy. Thank you, I appreciate your time, and have fun with your game.